Alright, so let me pose a question to you all. What do you do when society has a mass panic and you get sent back home from the University of Colorado halfway through the spring semester? Take a second. Alright, so the correct answer was actually working on the Datsun and getting it ready for the summer. After getting home, I quickly found out that my back brakes were seized due to some really bad rubber from the old wheel cylinders. So I got those replaced. I did those myself, actually. But the thing's rolling. I'm getting 11.5 miles per gallon, but besides the point, the Datsun is alive again. You can hear in the audio that it still has an exhaust leak. That's a matter of finding it, filling it, and being okay. Other than that, it's a really functional daily driver. For some reason, it's April, it snowed in Chicago. That's just what happens here. I woke up to it thinking, oh crap, it's time to drive the Datsun, drift around in a parking lot. So, yeah, here we go. Here's some footage from that. Now, I'm really not going to claim that I'm a good drifter by any means. Still need a lot of work. As you can see, every drift I attempted, I spun out. I need to keep honing in my drifting skills. In the process of replacing my rear wheel cylinders, I also realized that my emergency brake cable was actually locked up. So I unattached that, making sure that I wasn't actually rubbing my brakes all the time. And I have yet to replace the cable itself. I have a new one, just have not gotten around to it yet, unfortunately. But that means that you guys are going to pretty soon see a whole brake part on replacing your whole back wheel cylinders and servicing them. As a final thought, I just really want to say thank you to all of you new joiners out here. I really appreciate it. I did not expect this channel to grow this fast. I'm looking here and we're just a tad over 400 subscribers, and I'm just absolutely ecstatic the way that you guys are responding to my content. It really means a lot to me. Thank you all.